This video explains how to install wooden blinds. You will need a steel tape measure, a pencil, plus some common DIY tools. You may also need a stepladder. First, place the end fixed brackets onto the headrail and hold up to where you are fixing, and carefully mark the bracket positions. Remove the brackets and mark the hole positions, which will be 2 holes of your choice in each bracket, and mark any intermediate brackets, avoiding the ladder braid positions. If you are unsure what you are fixing to, use a small steel drill bit to determine the material. For timber, use the wood screws supplied. For plaster or masonry, use plastic plugs and screws or plasterboard fixings. For steel, use self-tapping screws with a steel drill bit, all available from your hardware store. Once the brackets are fixed, open the doors, locate the blind in the brackets and close the hinge doors and ensure the blind is secure. The wooden fascia may be supplied slightly wider than the blind and may need trimming to ensure a neat, tight fit. Fit the fascia to the blind headrail following the enclosed instructions. Now fix the child safety cleat. If your blind is to be installed onto the outside of the recess, then position the blind centrally and mark the bracket positions, and then follow the same procedure as fitting to the inside of the recess. It's easy when you do it the direct blinds way.